We are very pleased to be able to offer you a new type of investment. This investment allows you to reflect your personal values, your personal preferences in the type of companies that you own within your portfolio. Now, the best way of describing this investment is with the letters ESG, standing for environment, social, and governance. Now, the underlying theme of these types of investments is sustainability. Now, what do we mean by sustainability? Well, a number of years ago, the UN did a study on sustainable development, and their definition, and I quote, development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. And if I can put that in my own words, what the UN was saying was, please, on behalf of our children and future generations, please do not destroy our planet. So how is a portfolio developed that has these fundamental values incorporated in it? Well, as it turns out, it's fairly easy. For example, we all know how harmful coal can be to the planet. So if there is a company that is involved in the production and the sale of coal, they can be eliminated from the portfolio. Also, if there is a company that is a very strong user of coal in their operations, they too can be eliminated from the portfolio, or money that flows their way can be reduced. Now, the flip side is true on green energy. Green energy is very beneficial. So companies that are involved in the production of green energy, distribution, or the use of green energy, more money can flow their way. So that's a great opportunity for us as individuals to have our values reflected in the way we invest. But importantly, the investments have to make sense. Is this type of investing different than what you're doing now? Well, as it turns out, no, it is not. Our investment philosophy is built on two strong component parts. First of all, evidence-based investing. There has been a lot learned over the last decades of academic research on investing. Using that information is what you're doing now in evidence-based investing. That can be to your advantage. And that same type of evidence-based investing is going to be employed in the new sustainable type of funds. The second investment philosophy we have, and you know, and we've had this since day one for decades and decades, is diversification. We really believe strongly in good, broad diversification. That allows you to protect your investment risk. Diversification is key to any portfolio. Currently, if you own stocks in your funds that you own, you'll own about 10,000 stocks around the world in pretty well every industry there is. Now, that's absolutely excellent diversification. We expect that this new sustainable fund will have about 8,000 or 9,000 stocks spread around the world. Again, very strong diversification. So from an investment point of view, it's very similar to what you're doing now. The next question is going to be is experience. The company that is offering this, are they experienced and knowledgeable in the area of sustainable investing? Well, as it turns out, the answer to that is extremely positive. They've been offering this to clients since 1980s. Now, back then, it was only offered to institutional clients. It was then in 2008 introduced to individual clients in the United States, and now for the first time it's coming into Canada. So in summary, I like this investment. I like it a lot. Now, we've known for quite some time that it was coming to Canada, and I've been looking forward to being able to offer that to clients. Our team is looking forward to being able to offer that to clients. It has the same investment principles basically than how you invest now. Evidence-based investing, strong diversification, but with one change. And the change is you can now reflect your views on sustainable issues, environment, coal, for example, the pollution. You're allowed to now implement your values in your portfolio. Now, we're looking forward to having feedback from you to see if this type of investment is something that you want to consider. And my final words are, the next time you have a meeting with your wealth manager, we'd like to have this conversation with you. But if you have any questions now, or would like to start that conversation sooner, please, by all means, contact us.